Hello, coming at you from 7685 Chablis Circle, that's Chablis, on a corner lot here in Navarre, 32566. We've got a cutie home here for you, as you can see. Ample size front porch for your rocking chairs. Take a look inside. Clean and turnkey, ready for you. We are sitting at 1156 on the square footage. 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, built in 2001. Light and airy. Neutral color palette. Generous windows. So here we have our living room with the bamboo flooring. We'll start in this direction. Got linen here, laundry room, additional bedroom number 1 here. Additional bedroom number 2. And full bathroom. Shower tub combo. Single vanity. Pretty tile on the floor there. And the beadboard. It's a nice accent. Programmable thermostat for efficiency. Eating kitchen with breakfast bar and all stainless appliances. And our master bedroom. Cheery window, walk-in closet to the left. As you can see, plenty of room for your king-size bed. And master bathroom. Single vanity and a generous garden tub. Also shower tub combo. Quick peek in the backyard. Did not unlock the door before I started shooting. Well, we're not going to take a peek in the backyard because I can't get back there, but you will be able to when you show this home. We're sitting on 0.09 of an acre. Fully fenced privacy fence. Nice little porch. So again, we are here at 7685 Chablis Circle in Navarre, 32566. Turnkey, could be starter home. Just a cutie on a corner. Come and take a look for yourself.